Hello bachcho, let's see the question. The question says here minerals are absorbed in the form of. So the minerals are absorbed in which form? Let's see. So minerals. So minerals are required for the plant metabolites or plant metabolism. Metabolic process. These minerals are transferred. These minerals are transported to the plant through the root or through the xylem. They can enter to the root through the root cap by by bulk flow or diffusion or osmosis. They can diffusion. So they can passes through the concentration gradient. So they can passes due to the concentration gradient. Gradient. Concentration gradient. So in the root, that is the root cap, that is root hair zone, root root hair. This root hair is present in the elongation part, that is elongation zone of elongation. So through these minerals can enter to the root. The rate of mineral absorbed, this is independent of the concentration of the soil. So this is independent, the mineral entry is independent of its concentration in the soil. So they are absorbed in the form of ions, because so they are independent independent in the concentration of the soil. So they are absorbed in the form of ions, because these ions are accumulated by the plant against their concentration, these are accumulated against their concentration gradient in the soil. So they are accumulated. So for that, after that, in the first phase, the tissue kept in the mineral solution, so an initial rapid of uptake of ions. So for that, the tissue rapidly uptake these ions, and they can transported. So from the root, they are transported to the xylem. So that this xylem is transported these minerals to the leaf for the further different metabolic process. So minerals are absorbed in the form of ions. So the correct answer for this question is option number B. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.